How's it going and what's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show and thank you for being here. My name is Kiara Cass and I am ready to blast some cool news off in this video. So please make sure to stay right to the very end because there's a lot of information in this video that is going to impact the way that you're trading and of course investing into the crypto space. And of course, we need to know in, out at specific times. And depending whether you're investing for the long term or if you're trading for the short term, will depend on the strategy that you use. So you guys, thank you for being here. Very, very powerful. You guys have been seeing all the cool videos that I've been doing for you guys over the past 2-3 days. And well, actually, I did quite a few videos for you yesterday. Yesterday I did pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos for you. So I hope you enjoyed all of them. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below because I would love to hear what you guys actually enjoy watching and what you want to see more of on the channel. So let me know down below because I want to talk about what you want to hear about. Okay. In the meantime, let's go see what's happening in the market. The crypto market cap is down 1.9% for the past 24 hours. We're back at 1,164 billion, back to the 32.6 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is back under the 27k level and we're at 26,713. Ethereum is still holding above 1800. BNB at 308, XRP at 45 cents, Cardano 36 cents, Lido 18.17, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 87 cents, Solana 19.48, Polkadot 529, Shiba 867, Avalanche 1433. I think I might actually get me some more Avalanche. I'll have a look at the Avalanche chart, but I might get me some more Avalanche in the next day or two. Uni 497, Uniswap guys. Uniswap is a great coin and I haven't done enough of it yet. I will do a video on Uniswap for sure. So yeah, hit that notification bell and I'll probably do one a little bit later for you guys. Chainlink 635, Cosmos 1036. So I will do a video on Cosmos itself as well. And yeah, make sure to hit that notification bell, guys. Let's close this up for now. The bubbles, a lot of red in the bubbles today, but of course, Rend is pumping again. Carver, interestingly, is pumped a bit. TRX is pumping, Injective is pumping, BIT is pumping, and BTT is pumping nicely. MyOda is also pumping quite nicely. And very interesting to see these little, and synthetics as well as pumping, but everything else is pretty much down, guys. Very sad to see that, you know, things like this are down today because, yeah, I mean, they have been doing pretty well. Fear and Greed Index still sitting at the same 50, so not much difference. You can see we've been the same for the past 3 days, and we're hanging on with a string to not get into the Fear and Greed Index side of things. So today, we don't have much news from the US. We just have the Federal Reserve speaking a little bit later this afternoon. So that will be very interesting to see what they have to say. But yeah, I'm going to go and talk to you about some of the new stuff in a little bit. So just please stay tuned. But let's get on to the Dixie. I want to show you why Bitcoin fell at kind of 10 o'clock last night. The Bitcoin chart fell. You can see at 10 o'clock here, if you come over to your trading view and you click on your calendar, you can scroll through everything that's on the economic calendar. And instead of just Market Watch getting only US news, you can get all news here. So at 10 o'clock, what happened? The API crude stock change, the prediction was 0.52 and we ended up nearly 7 million in the negative barrels. And that's what obviously Biden is busy doing, creating havoc, but that, you know, at that point that did kind of create this candle here, but sorry, this candle here, but yeah, it didn't really do too much on the dollar, just kind of held it at its length, but it literally dropped everything else, all the risk off assets. And then on top of it, we had the Australian retail sales quarter on quarter and year on year. Year on year, they're down 4.1%. The prediction was 3.6%. And that absolutely obliterated those markets. And the same here, the retail sales year on year and quarter on quarter absolutely obliterated. So then Reuters Tankan Index for the Japanese market, they had a flat rate come in. They went above by 6. So a lot of that news actually had a huge impact. And then of course here you can see that in core inflation rate month on month, core inflation rate year on year has been much higher for the for the UK market. So let's go and have a look here. So the core inflation rate tracks changes price consumers, blah, blah, blah. We know about that. Okay, so yeah, it is the UK, and you can see that. So inflation rate has increased. Inflation rate year on year has pumped up. PPI has also gone down. PPI core output year on year has gone down. So all of that news is high impacting on the market, and that's why the dollar seems to be getting strength, and risk on assets seem to be falling down. Now on the 4 hour on the Bitcoin price, we're pretty much coming to this zone here. But honestly, if we find, you see, we broke out, we faked out of the triangle and we pulled back down. If we break this level here now, okay, we're very likely going to test the bottom of this triangle down here at about the 25,000 level, 26,000, between 25,500 and 26,000 level. That's where we'll test. But if we manage to bounce off of this and break back through here, we're probably going to get some strong indication that we'll probably come and try and push up to more or less this level, if not this level at the top of the triangle. Now I want to show you this why, because we're still holding our higher lows, okay, and we have now made a higher high, okay. So it's very interesting to see where we're at on this chart, and yeah, we'll just be patient and wait to see what happens there. The Bitcoin dominance, we're being rejected at this level, at the RSI on the 8 hours being rejected. So who knows, we could come and fall back down to this support zone back here at about the 47.65% level. Ethereum is kind of hanging on by its thread right now at this current level. The RSI is oversold on the 8 hours. So it's telling us that if Ethereum continues to break even further down and we break this support zone box, I'm going to just widen that for us. If we manage to break that box down, then the likelihood is that we'll probably end up coming all the way back down to about 1700. I would say that we would probably come back to about this level, 1700 here. So that would be very, very interesting to see. I want to go and show you two more things. So I'm still in my injective trade, and my injective trade is not doing the best. But you can see here that we're kind of trying to break this. So I think that will come down to more or less the 625 level again. And then we might make a bit of a bounce up from there. Okay, so I will just make sure to manage my risk on that trade. My Litecoin, unfortunately, I got taken out of because I put my stop loss below this candle. And boom, luckily I did, because, yeah, look at what happened. Okay, so it was a very short fall. Now, for me, I would like to see Litecoin back down here, and this is probably where I would re-enter in the Litecoin trade, down back here at this zone. Cardano trade, I haven't got in yet, so I'm going to wait for Cardano to pull back a little bit, and then I'll re-enter down there. The Lido trade, unfortunately, I got taken out. There was my stop loss level was there, so I got taken out in this candle. So again, Lido, I will wait for the retracement back to this zone, and then pretty much, yeah, which is pretty much just above it. Carver still keeps pumping. Solana, I'm still in the Solana trade, and you can see that Solana is looking like it wants to come down. If Solana breaks this zone, guys, Solana's next level is down here. Okay. So just so that you're very conscious and very aware of that, that would be about $17 to $18. Okay. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's go and check out the news. Japan's crypto anti-money laundering measures to start in June. Now, some of the cool stuff. South Korea's lead party wants crypto disclosure laws to apply earlier. So in other words, they're saying, hurry the fuck up, because they want to trade crypto. Isn't this a sign, okay, that we're getting into this like crazy? Now, another thing here is Blizzard and Adobe tap generative AI tools as co-pilots for humans. And then one thing, the Crypto City Guide to Osaka, Japan's second biggest city. Okay, so not only that, but Pakistan aims to produce 1 million AI-trained IT graduates. And then the Chinese city launches government-backed metaverse platform. Okay, so guys, this is telling us that this space is opening up. So if you want to be in the space, get in the space. Don't hesitate to get in the space. It's at a pretty decent point right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, you do know that liking my channel, subscribing to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, really helps the algorithm on the channel. So please do so. And if you want to trade any of these coins that I've just shown you with me, please make sure to hit the Bybit link down in the description of my videos below. And I will go and show you very quickly so that you guys can see down here in the description below. You can see very clearly, here's your Bybit link. You can click that Bybit link. I also have a Binance link for you to click. And I also have a BitGet link for you to click. And an OKX link for you to click. Okay, so do not miss out on those at all. And please come over and follow me on my social media. That would be very, very much appreciated. And yeah, come and join my Telegram channel. As I said, this week I will be pumping a lot more of my stuff on that group. So yeah, make sure to get into that group ASAP. Okay, so thanks for being here, you blessed beautiful souls, and remember to like, subscribe, and share my content. We'll see you on the next one, beautiful souls. Take care and have a beautiful day.